Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Priya's English World. Guys, I'm on cloud 9 and fit as a fiddle. I hope that you all are in pink of health. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about something very crucial, especially for English learners out there. Yes guys, what is that? Have you guessed the topic that we are going to discuss about in this video? Okay, without any further ado, let's move on to the topic, which is all about the first aspects of learning a language. What is that? Before that, let me clear that what are the four aspects of learning a language, which is we already know that LSRW. L for listening. So that is the first aspect that we are going to discuss about, especially in this video. So what is listening? We know that listening is simple, that we listen something, right? So when it comes to this language, which is learning English, how should we listen? What should we listen? Because when it comes to beginners, they literally confused and perplexed with this question. Because when they initiate their English journey, they do not know what to see, what to watch, what to listen, especially in English, because they feel everything will be a Herculean task for them. So that's why I created this video. Especially this video will guide beginners out there who started their English journey or who is going to start their English journey after. In upcoming days, if you are the beginner who wants to initiate your English journey, start now. Let me guide you. The first one, listening play a very important role in your English journey. How we have learned our mother tongue, how we learned our mother tongue, especially we listen, we consume, we speak, we mispronounce a lot of words, we relearn from it, and we become fluent. Okay, how long will it take? We do not know. Am I right? Of course, we do not know how long will it take for us in our native language to become fluent. So how could you judge? How could you expect that fluency within 6 months, within 1 year or 2 years? So it's impossible, right? It depends upon the person. It depends upon the environment you are. So if you are the person who are in Tamil Nadu or other states where you do not find any English environment, how could you expect the quick result? So don't do that. Don't do that, because that is the one big mistake every English learners are doing. So that is the one mistake which stopping you to be fluent in English. So now let's discuss about the listening part. What should we listen? First, I would say that if you are a beginner, you have an idea that basically I have done this mistake. When I was a beginner, I used to ask this question to others who are fluent in English or who are better than me in English. So I asked them what to do, especially what to listen and how to improve our English fluency, like these kind of questions and stuff I asked them. They told me that to watch BBC News and watch something regarding a lot of things, cartoon videos, and watch any English news and read newspapers. So many suggestions I got from them. But I would say that why I'm making this video, what is the purpose behind it, because there are lots of videos out there in YouTube channel, but what is the reason behind for me especially to make this video? See, I haven't prepared any content for this video. I'm just speaking to you from my bottom of my heart. It's a natural tone. I'm going to share about my experience, what I've learned and what I've made a mistake, and what I've learned from my mistakes too. So you don't do that mistake. That is my motive. So for listening, there are two types. One is active listening, another one is passive listening. What does it mean by active listening? We already know that, which is active. We give a full attention to the part what we listen. When it comes to passive listening, we listen but we do not give a full attention to the part. While listening, we are doing some kind of activities or works or some actions. That comes under passive listening. What should I recommend? I recommend two things. Both are equally important, guys. Nobody is free in our generation because everybody is busy. Time change, life change. You can see within 2 months, this year is going to come to an end. After that, we are going to commence a new year. We are going to welcome a new year. So that's why the times are literally flying as like a bird, right? So we want to gather it. We want to understand the important things behind it. So when it comes to listening part, listen what you like. Listen what you like the most. In English especially. I'm not recommending something. When it comes to my experience, I started to listen especially Sumita Roy's videos. Her accent, her English was completely simple and eloquent as well as enchanting for me. So that's why I started to listen her videos. But if you ask this question right now, Are you listening it right now also? No, I stopped listening that kind of videos. Now I shifted to another level, which is nowadays I'm listening TikTok. So when I ask the question, what is your hobby? Sometimes you can say, time to time it changes. As like it is when it comes to my English journey habits, time to time it changes, of course. So nowadays I'm listening like TikToks. So I really love that. So when I was a beginner, I used to watch Smita Roy's video and Dr. Sandeep Patel, and another one is Shala Povin video. Nowadays, I watch a lot of things like Ramsa conversation video, Shanta ma'am video, Siri Ramala's video, and Sunita's adventure. Lot of channels are there. Still now, I didn't remember so many things right now to express my thoughts, but these are the channel right now. I just able to recollect it soon for you. Haven't prepare this content before. I'm just speaking to you from my bottom of my heart. I'm just expressing my experience. That's it. I do not want to gather a lot of views. I really want to create awareness to you. If you want to start your English journey, especially when it comes to the first aspect, listening, listen what you love. Don't listen what others love. What others love, which makes others fluent. Okay, it depends upon their interest. In case if I say you, I love watching TED Talk videos. If you start watch TED Talk videos, definitely it would be boring. It doesn't feel fascinating for you. When it comes to our interest also, it differ a lot, right? So you have to listen a lot of things, observe a lot of things, watch a lot of videos, and find out your niche, find out the area, the interest, the like which you like the most. You have to find it out. How could you find it out? First you have to experiment it. You have to watch a lot of things, listen a lot of things, listen podcasts. So many things are there, like audiobooks and channels and conversation videos. So many things are there. You have to watch it. Once you find the interest which you like the most from your bottom of your heart, just follow it. This is my one of the humble request for you guys. Just listen what you love. Don't listen what others love. Okay, this is my humble request. You have to aware of it. There's nothing, especially any videos. No videos are going to make you be fluent in English. Each and every video, even still now I'm speaking this and you are watching my video. My video is not going to make you be fluent. It just as a guiding way. It's like a guiding path. It's like a bridge for your fluency. That's it. I'm just connector of your English journey. But my videos are not going to make you be fluent. Fluency is within your hand. You have to put your effort. You have to immerse yourself in English. And one more thing, you already asking me, how do we immerse ourselves in English? So I'll create another video, especially separate videos on this topic, how I immerse myself in English, how I created the environment around myself, especially in English. So these are the things. I think this video will be long if I talk continuously. So I'll stop here. And in this conclusion of the video, just listen what you love. First you have to experiment it. Listen a lot, listen everything. Okay, what are the things you come across, and you have to evaluate it, analyze it, which you like the most, what type of videos you like the most. Then you just continue it. And one more thing, you have to enjoy the process of listening and learning English. Don't pressure yourself, don't push yourself that I want to listen, I have to listen it, then only I'll be fluent in English. Don't do that. Just do what you love. Okay, don't push yourself, don't pressure yourself. If you do that, definitely you're not going to improve your English. It's going to stress you. Okay, don't stress up yourself in order to become fluent in English. English is just a language. You have to learn this language just in the way you enjoy, just in the way you have learned your mother tongue. Okay, that's it guys. I'll come up with another interesting video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.